Alright, greetings family, this is Bomani Tyehimba and family. I'm here in Ethiopia, my first time in Ethiopia, and I'm here with a group of beautiful brothers and sisters here to take in the energy and also promote these wonderful tours to Ethiopia. And this is a beautiful gift from Ethiopian Airlines, 70 years, that's 1946 to 2016, 70 years in aviation. And you know, that was my first career from when I was 18 to 28, an aircraft technician. So as a retired aviator, I appreciate Ethiopian Airlines for really being the future of what we really need, which is a straight Pan-African Airlines that's going to take us all over the globe, especially all over the African continent. And family, the journey that we do have, what we have set up is Ethiopia and Tanzania, November 2018. It's a while from now, but it's going to come soon. And what we're doing is we're going to take a lot of footage and get a lot of details about the same tour that we're taking in November is what we're doing now. You know, we're doing like a real straight promo tour, and I'm meeting just a lot of wonderful people. My brother Kidi, you're going to get to connect with him again later. Kidi, aka the conscious Rasta. And some certain people weren't able to make the journey, but the ones of us here, we're going to carry on the energy and the spirit for everyone else, and keep on letting everyone know that, you know, it's Africa for the Africans. And you know, our website, africafortheafricans.org. And you know what, the main thing that we push is these repatriation and investment tours, because we really believe in the fact that our people should return home, and also our people should invest in the African continent. And when I talk about people, I'm talking about the Africans on the continent, but also I'm talking about many Africans in the diaspora that lives in America with me and other countries outside of the African continent. It's important that we reduce all of the flow of waste of resources that we waste in America, and use some of these resources to save, cut back on the holidays, save your money up. That way you can have all your cash flow for your plane ticket, for your hotels, and all your accommodations and everything. And none of us here are rich. We look just like you, and we work on the same plantation as you. The only difference is we're African consciousness, we're African, full of energy, and we really want more and more people to feel the energy. And so, you know, so what we're doing is we're doing pioneer moves. We're the ones that's taking the journeys, bringing people and sharing the information, lots of pictures, lots of videos, lots of details. So family, we're gonna keep it strong, and we're gonna keep you posted, and the journey continues.